Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I'm heading to Scotland. It's a Friday, it's nearly 5:10 and I'm just trying to get through Wolverhampton. I'm going to head up to Kendal this evening, should hopefully get there by about 8:45. And I'm going to stay there tonight, and then tomorrow I'll head up to Dunfermline, which I think is about another 3 hours from there, and that's only 20 minutes from where I want to be on Sunday, which is Knockhill Race Circuit. So I'll be going to the British Superbikes for Sunday morning, and then after that's all done and dusted, I'm going to have a week up mooching around Scotland, which I haven't done before, so it's quite exciting. Hopefully I'll get up to Loch Ness eventually, somewhere I've never been. Go monster hunting. And so yeah, I'll video bits and pieces, and hopefully you'll enjoy some of it. Alright, I'll speak to you in a bit. Alright, we've made Kendal. I've made Kendal. Kendal Cricket Club. £10 for 24 hours, so that's you can't grumble at that. It's very busy, but there is a bar here, so they'll be here till 10-11 o'clock. But I've stayed here before, and it was £7. The town is about a 10 to 15 minute walk, so I'm gonna have a mooch around there tomorrow, because it's about 20 to 9. So I'm just going to settle down, slap Netflix on or something, and just chill out for a bit. Alrighty, catch you tomorrow. Good morning everyone, Saturday morning. Had a decent night's sleep. It was pretty quiet considering there was a bar on site at the cricket club. Yeah, it was really quiet. Up about 7:30 this morning, popped into town, had a walk around town, picked up some supplies, some coffee and some honey, the essentials. So I'm heading out to Kendal now towards the M6. I've actually decided I'm going to stop off in Lanark on the way. There's a Pure Gym, which is pretty much en route. So I'm going to stop off there and grab a share and freshen up a bit. Might as well use it while it's there. And then I'll head over up into Scotland a little bit later on this afternoon. So if anything interesting pops up, I'll be sure to grab a clip of it for you. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Here we go. Welcome to Scotland. Yeah, it's bloody big and high up here. Ooh, ferry. Say that. Look at the size of these bad boys. Holy shamole. Squeaky bum time. Not bad, is it? That's my park up sorted for this evening. So it's about 5:30 now, something like that. Just had a curry, and driving's been okay today. It's been nice and calm, apart from the last little bit to get here. So I'm just going to relax again. I'm going to get up as early as I can tomorrow. I want to get to the track as early as possible and get set up as close to the track as I can. It's quite a small. It is the smallest track, I think, and you can get quite close. So I'm going to see if I can, and I can sit up on the roof, which would be cool. But we'll see. Got stuck there last year. Had to get towed out, just sunk in the soggy ground. So I hope that don't happen this year. All right, I'll catch you later if anything happens, anything interesting happens. Well, good morning from Knock Hill. I've got it nice and early. It's 6:30. Look at this. I'm parked right on top of the track almost. Happy days. I reckon I can. I'll be able to climb up on the roof. I'll never sit up on the roof today. This is pretty cool. Right, I'm gonna have a little venture around while it's dead, and I'll catch up with you shortly. Ugh. There's my van, just there. There's a little stand there. I've never seen that before. Right, let's walk the track. Alright, we're going to walk the track. I didn't know they opened it up at the end of the day. So while everybody's queuing for hours to get off, I'm going to walk all of this. I'll try and video as much as I can. I'll have to speed it up now because it's going to be like a 20-minute walk, I reckon. We're running around, make some motorbike noises. There we go. Start line just ahead. Good morning, everyone. So I've just been to the gym in Dunfermline, and I'm now heading north, just east of Perth to Kinnoul Hill Tower, something like that. I probably butchered the name. Kinnoul Hill Tower. Oh my God! Yes, I'm going there. So hopefully it looks really scenic and pretty. So hopefully that's what it will be. So yeah, let's go and grab some footage from there. Okay, here we go. Tower Trail, 2 miles. There's a bridge in the distance. See if my camera will pick it up. Ah, it's on a bit grainy. That's okay. That's pretty. Ah. Slowed down a little bit, because believe it or not, 2 women up there. My God, I can hear them rabbiting from here. Just ruining my tranquility. How very selfish. Shh, don't let them hear me, they'll probably smack the shit out of me. Alright, back to it. You know, I'm very impressed with myself doing these walks. Because anybody that knows me knows my sense of direction is awful. Can't get anywhere without a sat nav these days. Let's walk these random paths. I'm just heading up, and then to go back I'll head down, and hopefully that'll be alright. Yeah, not exactly a Ray Mears, are we? Or is the other one Bear Grylls? That's alright though, it's an adventure. You get lost on your motorbike, it's like you're never lost, you're on an adventure. It's going to be the same with walking. Oh, starting to breathe heavy. Oh, that's cool. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a bit weathered now. What a shame. Still very good. A bit battered now though. Uh-oh. Let's not break our neck here. Oh my life, this is high. Well, it's just called a tower. Clues in the title. Oh my. Oh. Oh, that makes your giblets go funny. Oh, a little cigarette corner. Bloody hell. It's not often you come somewhere now and it's not all fenced off to stop you falling over the edge. Health and safety gone mad. Wow. So I was just talking to 2 ladies about how this isn't fenced off, which is a nice change, but apparently this is Scotland's suicide hotspot, or one of suicide hotspots, which I don't know, you could jump. Oof. My tummy's doing this just standing 3 meters back from the edge. I don't think. Oh God! Wow. Yeah, let's not think too much about that. But I really want to come back at night now. I bet this place has got a real atmosphere to it. Anyway, let's keep going. Let's see what else we find. Alright, so we're on an ancient volcano. That's what it would look like if it wasn't so misty. That's scarier than this fairground ride I've been on. Jesus. Alright, so that's looped around. Let's see if we can head back in a slightly different direction. So well, let's see if we get myself lost as usual. Wow, look at that. Fallen tree. It's torn up the land. Oh, another one. And I think we are back. Yeah, there's the van. Don't get lost. Unbelievable. Alright, gonna get a well-earned coffee and plan where we're going next. Alright, so this is gonna be the park up for today. And tonight, I think. I'm not in any rush to get anywhere. So I'll just go up the A9, is it? A9, M9, A9. And yeah, drive about an hour. And I don't fancy driving anymore today. So there's a little bit of rain, but I'm hoping it would knock off a little bit. It doesn't seem too bad. I'm going to jump on my bike. I've no idea what's around here. I've got no phone signal. I've got no internet. So I'm going to think let's commit. I'm going to jump on my bike and I'm just going to head the way I was already going. Hope there's a little bit of civilization down there. And get a phone signal and just let everybody know that I'm okay, because people worry. It's, I've got my big boy pants on and everything, and people still worry, but that's nice. So I'll just, yeah, let them know I'm okay. All right, I'll catch up with you in a bit. Bye. All right, we're going. We're going to go that way and just see what we find. Cross your fingers for something good. Oh, show-offs. There you go, guys. That's Lake Tummel. 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 Loch. Did I just say lake? Loch. Tummel. I'm saying Tummel as if I'm from Warsaw. Get the bike in. So I have ridden a bit. It's all bloody uphill going back though. God damn. Alright, let's go. So good morning everyone. It's about 7:30 and my second cup of coffee starting to come round a little bit. I've been up since about 7, but knackered. Didn't do a lot of driving either, so I don't know I slept okay. But yeah, this place is pretty sweet. I can hear some cars on the other side of the lock this morning, but last night, I'm not sure what time, maybe 7 o'clock onwards, there's nothing. No cars coming past, no cyclists coming past, absolutely nothing. I'd say this is the first place I've been to and that I've stayed at, sorry, that you actually feel on your own. No phone signal, no internet, no people coming past at all. Yeah, I'd say a little bit strange, because I say it's the first time I can remember experiencing it, ever feeling truly on your own. And if something goes wrong, you're screwed. Bit of a trek to get a signal. Yeah, not sure what I'm doing today yet. As per usual, we're just playing it by how I feel. At the moment, I feel like drinking more coffee and not really doing anything. So yeah, we'll stay for a bit and see what my daft brain tells me that it wants to do when it's ready. But for right now, I'll bid thee farewell. I'll catch you a little bit later. Okay, we're on our way to I'm saying Loch Morlich. I made some friends. I like protein sourdough. Trying to burn myself down, you're big one. See, that's your lot. Hello everyone and welcome to Loch Morlich. I nearly said lake again, honest to God. Yeah, so it's place. It's a little bit touristy, which put me off at first. I saw lots of vans and I thought, don't know if I'm going to fancy this, but found me a lovely quiet little spot to show you where I am. So I'm just up on the hill there. There's somebody in a great big tent just there. There's a proper car park further down there for pay and display parking. And you know me, I don't pay for parking unless I really have to. So I found a free one. And then down there you see all people on the beach down there. So I've actually walked this. I've walked down here. I've gone all the way around, and then you might be able to see, I've got glare, so I'm struggling, but in the distance there, you might just be able to see it, there's a green tent and some, what do you call them, paddle boards. And yeah, so I managed to get all the way around there. I'm sorry I couldn't film it, but my phone was dead, so I left it on charge in the van while I had a mosey around. I was going to try and get all the way around, but it becomes a bit of a river down there. There's one guy in a canoe heading down the river, and I didn't want to wade across, get myself soaking wet. I was in my trainers as well. Still got about halfway around, which is cool. Still snow on there. Have you seen that? Still snow on the hills up there. Simply heaven. I want that to you. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to stay here the night yet. There's not a lot of passing traffic. Obviously, there's a lot more than what I had at the last park up. I'll see if it quietens down a little bit later on. There's no phone signal again here now. No phone, no internet, which I don't mind. But apart from being able to get in touch with people, it's most of anything that I watch or listen to is online. It's all Spotify, what do you call them, podcasts or YouTube channels that I watch. So not having those and not being able to read very well can be a little bit of a struggle when it's getting later on. But if it stays like this, I could just sit out here, I suppose. And I will see. Still not very good at sitting still. I thought I'd be alright at sitting still, but I'm still not brilliant at it. I haven't trained today, and that's making me a little bit twitchy as well. Yeah, something to work on. But anyway, enough of my rambling. Let's get back to just chilling, enjoying the scenery. So they've got some paint displays here, but I don't think you can stay overnight. I've got you on video now. If you give me a backie, I've got a £5. That's a first. Morning everyone. So it's about 6 o'clock and I'm on my way to Inverness. Should be there in about 35-40 minutes. I'm actually going to head to the gym there first. Going to blow out some cobwebs, going to expend a bit of energy and have a little mooch around there. I think maybe head down to Loch Ness later this afternoon. We'll see how things pan out as per usual. Weather's looking nice again, nice and clear. Make the most of it up here because I think it starts to turn tomorrow, so yeah, need to make the most of it really. Alright, hopefully show you something interesting a little bit later. See ya. It's him here. Looks like Caleb. That's Clarkson's farm, if you don't know. If you don't know, shame on you. Alright, we made Loch Ness. Let's go and see if we can spot a monster. Oop. It's a bit of a ride today. Problem is, give it a bit to the water and immediately need a wee. With the old bladder. Wow. Cool. That's not as cold as I thought it was going to be. Yeah, that's not bad at all actually. Ooh, I don't think I'd want to get me giblets in it. But yeah, the shins is alright. Very copper just gone past Fort William, heading towards Ben Nevis. Good morning from Loch Creran, I believe. Didn't get it till about 9 o'clock last night, and pulled up and pretty much straight to sleep. I'm the only one down here. There's my van just there. Nothing in. No traffic. Just wildlife. Beautiful. So I'm actually starting to make my way back towards home today. Heading south. I'm about 7 hours away. So there's no rush. I won't be getting back today. No plan as per usual. Just drive south and see what we come across. Right, I'm gonna have more coffee and try and wake up a bit. I think she. Oh, right the other me, boys. Bloody hell.